Only one Mustang became a Hollywood legend, but this $150,000 Eleanor takes that icon and rebuilds it with 460 horsepower of modern Coyote V8 Fury. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel, because today we're taking a look at one of the most legendary classic Mustangs ever transformed into a modern masterpiece. The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback Eleanor Tribute. Some cars become classics. Some cars become symbols, and then there are cars that become legends recognized around the entire world. The 1967 Mustang Fastback Eleanor belongs in that rare category. Inspired by the unforgettable movie icon, this Mustang captures the aggressive personality, dramatic styling, and timeless muscle car attitude that made Eleanor one of the most desirable classic builds ever created. But this is not just a Mustang that looks the part. Beneath its legendary exterior is a complete modern performance machine built to deliver the excitement of a classic muscle car with the technology, reliability, and power of today. Finished in the famous Eleanor Tribute Gray paint with racing black stripes, this Mustang immediately commands attention. Every angle tells a story. The long fastback roofline, muscular body shape, Shelby-inspired wheels, and aggressive stance create a presence that feels like it belongs in a movie scene. The exterior has been carefully upgraded with paint protection film, close-out panels, new exterior glass, and dual side exit exhaust that gives this Mustang the unmistakable Eleanor appearance. But the real magic begins under the hood. Powering this incredible machine is a Gen 3 Ford 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine. This modern powerhouse produces 460 horsepower while using advanced electronic fuel injection technology for smooth performance and dependable operation. Unlike the original classic Mustang engines, the Coyote V8 combines modern engineering with incredible response, allowing this Eleanor Tribute to deliver thrilling acceleration while remaining comfortable enough for everyday driving. The engine is paired with Ford's advanced 10R80 10-speed automatic transmission. This transmission brings a completely different driving experience to the classic Mustang platform. With quick gear changes, excellent efficiency, and smooth power delivery, it allows this 1967 Fastback to cruise effortlessly on the highway while still providing the excitement of a high-performance muscle car. Power is transferred through a Ford 9-inch rear end featuring a 3.73:1 gear ratio and limited slip differential. This setup gives the Mustang strong acceleration and improved traction, making sure all 460 horsepower reaches the road with confidence. To handle that power, this Eleanor has been upgraded with serious performance hardware. Shelby American's 17-inch wheels sit at all four corners, wrapped in performance tires measuring 245/45 ZR17 in the front and massive 315/35 ZR17 tires in the rear. The wider rear stance gives the Mustang an aggressive appearance while improving grip during hard acceleration. Stopping power comes from electric power disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors, supported by Wilwood calipers. These upgrades provide modern braking capability and confidence behind the wheel, allowing this classic Mustang to perform like a contemporary sports machine. Underneath the body, this build continues to impress. The front suspension features independent components, while the rear uses a 4-link suspension system designed for improved handling and stability. Tubular front, upper, and lower control arms, coilover suspension, and a custom skid plate create a strong foundation for both street driving and spirited performance. The chassis has been carefully upgraded with new fuel lines, new brake lines, a custom TIG-welded gas tank, and a painted body color underside that shows the same attention to detail beneath the car as on the exterior. The mini-tubbed rear allows space for those wider tires while giving the Mustang an even more aggressive stance stepper inside, and the classic Mustang atmosphere meets modern comfort. The interior features black upholstery, custom bucket seats, front and rear seat belts, a fold-down rear seat, and a beautifully finished cabin designed around the driver. A polished tilt steering column and wood steering wheel provide a vintage-inspired feel, while the 2018 Mustang GT center console adds modern functionality. The dashboard is equipped with aftermarket gauges, giving the driver important information while maintaining the performance-focused personality of the car. A custom audio system adds entertainment, while the upgraded headliner and detailed interior finish make this Mustang feel like a premium collector vehicle. Comfort has not been forgotten either. With air conditioning and a vintage air control panel, this Eleanor Tribute is built for more than just weekend shows. It is designed to be enjoyed on real roads, combining classic style with modern convenience. Available from Vanguard Motor Sales with financing options, this 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback Eleanor Tribute represents everything enthusiasts love about Restomod builds. It keeps the soul of the original Mustang while adding modern power, technology, and refinement. At a price of around $150,000, this is more than a classic car. It is a rolling piece of automotive history, a tribute to one of the most famous Mustangs ever imagined, and a machine built for collectors who want a perfect balance between nostalgia and performance. The Eleanor name represents excitement, style, and freedom. This Mustang carries that legacy forward with a modern Coyote V8 heart, aggressive Shelby-inspired design, and the craftsmanship of a high-end Restomod. This is the 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback Eleanor Tribute, a Hollywood-inspired legend reborn for a new generation of automotive enthusiasts.